The COVID-19 outbreak has created a significantly increased demand for N95 respirators. These respirators are critical to protecting healthcare and other frontline workers from the virus. N-designated respirators are not resistant to oil, R-designated are somewhat resistant to oil, and P-designated are strongly resistant to oil. The number designates the percentage of airborne particles that are filtered by the respirator. OSHA is urging companies to provide alternative respirators to employees using N95 masks to conserve inventory for healthcare workers. The following are options that will provide equal or greater particulate protection than an N95 respirator. N99 or N100 respirator mask, R95 respirator mask, P95 or P100 respirator mask, half-face reusable respirator with N95, 99, 100, R95, P95 100 filter. Full-face reusable respirator with N95, 99, 100, R95 or P95 100 filter. Reusable respirator with organic vapor cartridge and particulate filter, or powered air purifying respirator. Employers must ensure the selected respirator will protect the employee from the hazard and be NIOSH approved. Employees should never share personal protective equipment and must visually inspect their respirator for damage or deterioration before use. Store respirators in sealed containers when not in use. Thank you to GMG and VirusSafe for this great information. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.